Okay, so today is May 28th of 2025, and let's go over daily outlook for today. So today I'm expecting price to draw higher. Yesterday I expected price to draw lower, but the one thing I did not notice was the balanced price range on the 4-hour, as well as um, the SMT and the what's it called? The breakaway gap on the daily. So you add all of those things together, plus a weekly inversion gap, um, definitely warrants a bullish bias. So yesterday I actually had a pretty good day. Caught the move, the the 10 o'clock macro move, and then again I caught the 1400 move, and then I caught the 1530 close, which is pretty good. So 3 trades, great trades. I did have one dumb one though, but that was just more impulsive. And so those are the ones that I'm trying to not necessarily trying to, but those are the ones that I'm going to well, that I try to avoid. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look. So today I'm expecting a draw to previous day highs. Let's see where we stand. I'm gonna start on the monthly. So on the monthly, we are drawing higher. I want to see price close above this in this gap right here. If we do that, then I'll be looking for a price to draw higher. Okay, let's look at the weekly. My drawn liquidity for this week is this gap right here. As you can see, here we already took it. Here we have not. But I want to see price. Well, the first objective is this high here, this high here. So that's the objective for this week. If we draw past this right here, then this will be the next objective. Let's take a look at the daily. Yep, clean highs right here, as you can see. So that's what I'll be targeting. Same thing here. We have clean highs here. This high here, relative equal highs. Pretty good day. Let's take a look at the. We did close above this gap right here, but technically speaking, this is the gap. This whole area right here, because here we have a tiny little void. I think it's 0.25 or something like that. I did catch an earlier move at 6 a.m. macro, so that was a pretty good trade. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, this right here. I caught the entry right here, covered into this high right here. Pretty good day. Right here. So price did draw into 50% of this range. It has not yet. So I would like to see price maybe come down one more time, and then we get the rollover high, the draw higher. I did use the 10 o'clock news off of yesterday's low, but I would actually like to see it something like this. Something like this. I would like to see price come down into this order block right here, and then we draw higher. We still have. Wait. Oh damn. we still have. We still have these smooth highs up here, which is what I want to do. Again, I want to see price come back down here, and then we get to draw higher. But if we don't, then I guess later on I'll be looking for an entry. The objective has already been taken, so we do have to give it some more time. There won't be any. I don't think there will be any good good trade for the 10 o'clock macro, but who knows? So I like how here we respected this gap right here. Same thing with this gap here. This right here is inducement. This induces traders to get long, only to come down and get swept right here. Yeah. Actually, it's not that. It's actually this whole area right here. Honestly speaking, I would not like for this price to come back down here, because if this in fact is the low of the day, then then this becomes a breakaway gap that'll send price shooting higher to these relative equal highs. I don't think I'll need this anymore because I am bullish. So yeah, in fact, let's do this instead. This is the SMT at the lows I was talking about. And as you can see, the objective is about to be met. We have first stage, second stage, and then third stage. Finally, we get to draw higher. Let's take a look at the 60-minute. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. As you can see here, we've already closed above. So this breaker, I don't need. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, let's take this out too. A lot more cleaner. We have this right here, traded into 50%. Same thing here, traded into 50%. So yeah, I think if anything, I'll be watching this right here. Because this and that of itself is a right. This right here, this small little V right here is a dealing range. Let's take a look at the 60-minute. Okay, so we don't have SMT at the highs, we have SMT at the lows. But I don't think that stays. Tiny little SMT right here. This right here looks like inducement. Yeah. Not so sold just yet. I still want to see price come back down here, and then we get to draw higher. We do have this change in the state of delivery here on the hourly. So if anything, I'll be looking for a 5-minute setup. Let's try this. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. We have buy side swept, sell side not swept yet. Yeah, I want to see these lows get swept. If these lows get swept, then I'll be looking to enter somewhere around here. To get long, I want to get long here, down here at the daily open. However, since we are already higher, we are holding above this breaker right here. I mean this gap. This could be a breakaway gap here as well. 41. Yep. Yeah, I like it. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is that gap I'm talking about. As you can see here, we are respecting this order block here. Here we did close below it, but now we're looking to close above. Here we're definitely respecting this area. So it might be that this one might need to sweep, and then we get to draw higher. Oh, and I finally connected to trade of 8 here, so I'll be taking my my trades. Well, here now. hmm. I still don't like it though. I'm going to be watching more. I think if anything, what I want to see is I want to see the draw higher, and then we get that sweep of one of these lows later on, and then we get the continuation higher. Do want to see this high as the first drawn liquidity. Same thing here. Previous week high as a drawn liquidity. Notice how we're respecting this old high. Here we're closing below this old high. So yeah, definitely one of those things. All right, let's take a look at the 5, and that's about as low as I'll get. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I do want to see price displace lower for the open. Yeah, I want to see price displace lower first. We already took out buy side. We're taking out sell side. But I do expect price to come down here to at least sweep this relative equal lows here. I don't think we sweep these lows because as you can see, we have sharp, sharp lows there. And I don't like how this right here is setting up. So again, I would like for price to maybe sweep a couple more lows. And then we get the continuation higher. We have, where was it? I think right here we have a tiny little void. So that's the only thing that's keeping me from wanting to, I guess, be short, you know. I want it to be long. The fact that we have a tiny little void here, you can't really tell, but we have a tiny little void here. Let's see. Right here. As you can see here, we have a tiny little void. We had a couple others here, but let's just forget about it. I do like how after we took this low here, we started closing above it. So that's the one good thing I'd like about it. I think we might get continuation higher. Yeah, we have these voids here. So I think we might sweep one more time. Right here. Oof, I just missed it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it go. And then come back for the 10 o'clock macro. I do expect there to be, well, there is news today, and that's the FOMC minutes, but I do expect there to be enough chances this morning. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's get out of this one. Look out. Oh, crap.